A new scam is attacking Mac browsers today. The scam comes from the website called Mac.upd.support. You may see the domain over here in the address line. And actually this scam may attack Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome or Safari browsers. By the way, the reason why such pop-ups appear in your computer is quite likely that your Mac is already messed up with some adware, because typically these alerts are originated by a certain pop-up window which then redirects browsers to random websites. Actually, this pop-up, however, is a typical scam. It says that your Mac is infected by 4 viruses and that your system is damaged, and that you must clean the system from viruses as quick as possible. And actually, after you click on the OK button,
Attention! Your Mac OS X is infected by viruses and your system is damaged. You must clean the system from viruses as quick as possible. Do not ignore this warning.
So you may see that there is some voice message as well that accompanies this scary alert, and some people might think that this is some real alert from Apple company. However, it's a total lie, of course. This pop-up window is not related to Apple company, and actually the only mission of this scary alert that comes from Mac.upd.support is to trick you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. So if you click on this Start Now button, you will be forwarded to some other domain, like this one you see over here, or something else, by the way. And we strongly advise that you not interact with these pop-up windows. Do not download anything they suggest, because this is the typical example of online scam. As we have said above already, it is quite likely, or even though it's not certain, but it could be that your Mac is typically messed up with some adware program. So we recommend you to scan your Mac with the program called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Premium is the great antivirus software for Mac computers, and it's quite recommended that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Premium, which might detect some potentially unwanted or even dangerous applications in your Mac. Thanks for watching. Please share and please subscribe.